Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video it was Aka Matsu Bonsai club night and all the lads made cement pots. They've been making them for a few weeks now, so they thought they'd do a little display and just show off what they've done. As Mark Davidson says, it's not a competition. So it's not a competition just for Mark, but the lads done exceptionally well. I didn't enter the competition because we're working, trying to do some videos. I didn't have time, but I'll just show you the video, which is only on about 2 minutes, just having a look at what they've done. But well done, lads. So that was just a little short video on what the lads has accomplished with chicken wire and tile adhesive, just from B&Q. So they've done an amazing job at the pots, so well done. That's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!